So we're going to start with professional marks. The thing is that starting from September 2022, the structure of the exam has changed, and now 20 out of 100 marks are professional. And that can be scary, but not if you know what to do. Well, actually, there were professional marks before, but they were hidden in the exam. So you wouldn't get marks for your technical thoughts if your answer would not comply with certain criteria. And students were very disappointed because they were like, I know the topic, how come I don't have enough marks to pass the exam? And that is because they didn't follow the approach that was kind of implied. But now the approach is written there, so it's known to everybody, and you will get additional, they were not additional, but you will get like 20 marks, and that would be given for your ability to show your professionalism, and these 20 marks will be scored while you are answering your technical marks. So now it's a little bit easy on one hand, because sometimes when you write one sentence, you get one technical and one professional marks. However, it is also harder because you need to know how to score those professional marks. Professional marks will be awarded in 4 categories. That's communication, analysis and evaluation, skepticism, and commercial knowledge. And below your question, you will see what are you given the marks for. Sometimes it can be 4 parts of this professional marks list. Sometimes it can be just communication and skepticism, for example. So please pay attention to. And as for the distribution of professional marks between the tasks, you will be given 10 marks for question A. So question A will be 40 technical marks for your knowledge, for your APM knowledge, and 10 professional marks. And each of the other 2 questions will bring you 5 professional marks.